The goal of this tutorial is to calculate the temporary hardness and the permanent hardness in the given sample. Okay, so this is water sample is given to us, in which MgHCO3 to ice is 20 milligram per liter. This much hardness of the MgHCO3 is present in it. CaSO4 is equal to 35 milligram per liter. CaCl2 25 milligram per liter. CaHCO3 twice 27 milligram per liter. MgCl2 is equal to 36 milligram per liter, and NaCl is equal to 20 milligram per liter. So first of all, solution convert this all the term into CaCO3 equivalent. That is, we have to multiply this 20 into 100 upon 146. This 100 is the molar mass of CaCO3 and this 46 is the molar mass of MgHCO3 twice. Like this 24 plus 2 plus 24 plus 96. 24 is of Mg, 2 for the hydrogen, 24 for the carbon, and this O3 into this 2, that is O6, that is O6 is 96. Okay, so we have to calculate this. This is around 13.7 milligram per liter. Similarly, 35 into 100 upon CaSO4. What is the molar mass of the CaSO4? 136. Therefore, it will equal to 25.7 milligram per liter. So CaCl2 25 into 100 upon 111 is equal to 22.5. Then what about CaHCO3? That is 27 into 100 upon 162 is equal to 16.6 milligram per liter. Here also milligram per liter. What about MgCl? MgCl 36 into 100 upon for molar mass of the MgCl is 95. Then this will be around 37.8 milligram per liter. And what about NaCl? NaCl is not an permanent or the temporary hardness, so it is ignored. Okay, so then from the above table, which are temporary hardness, write down temporary hardness. Temporary hardness is equal to one temporary hardness is of magnesium MgHCO3 twice, another is calcium, that is of the calcium CaHCO3 twice. For the MgHCO3, the hardness above was 13.7. For CaHCO3 twice, there was 16.6. Therefore, the total is 30.3 mg that is milligram per liter. So this much of temporary hardness is present in the water sampler. Then what about permanent hardness? Permanent hardness present above is CaSO4, another is CaCl2, another is MgCl2. Okay, so addition for this 25.7 plus 22.5 plus 37.8 is equal to 86 milligram per liter. So this is how to calculate the temporary hardness and the permanent hardness in the given water sample. Remember one thing, that NaCl, SiO2, then Na2SO4, then K2SO4, then Fe2O3. This all salt don't contribute in hardness. Okay, so don't calculate the hardness for the salts.